Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using payout settings for US, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your Paddle account dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Payouts section in the sidebar. Click on Payouts to open the payout settings. Here, you will see options for configuring your payout methods. Select settings to adjust your payout preferences. You may be prompted to choose between various payout methods. Pick the method that suits you best, such as bank transfer or PayPal. If you choose bank transfer, enter your bank account details accurately. Make sure to include your account number and routing number. For PayPal, enter the associated email address linked to your account. Double-check all information for accuracy. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Next, navigate to the Withdraw section to initiate a withdrawal. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Review any fees that may be associated with your withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal amount and select the payment method. After confirming, submitted requests may take a few business days to process. You will receive a notification once your withdrawal has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. Be sure to check your bank or PayPal account for the deposit. If you encounter any issues, contact Paddle support for assistance. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.